Hey guys, it's Marcus at Automotive Superstore. Again, I hope you aren't sick of me yet. This is a THINKWARE F770D, and today I'd like to walk through the features with you. Let's have a look. Starting from the top, we have 1080p footage front and back, which is a significant upgrade over the F200. We have built-in GPS, so we no longer need to get one of these. It's already in the unit. It comes with a hard wiring kit if you purchase the dual kit, but once again, if you purchase the single, you can just pick it up anyway. Plus, we have a whole new design on the chassis. It'll be stuck up onto the windscreen like this, and there's actually an adjuster. I'm not sure if you can see it in there, but if you get a 10-cent coin or a flathead screwdriver, this camera can be angled depending on the angle of your windshield so that you can get the best and clearest view. Some other awesome features of the F770 include super night vision, time-lapse parking mode, which records in 2 frames per second during parking mode to conserve your power, and you can keep it going for longer. Plus, you have some elements of the advanced driver assist system, such as lane departure warnings and forward collision warnings. Very handy.
Now here I'm just displaying on an Android phone how to connect to our U1000 dash cam. So we just need to go to our settings, Wi-Fi, pick the THINKWARE network and type in the default password, which is 1234567889. It'll say internet may not be available. Don't worry about that. We're not getting internet from the THINKWARE. We are transmitting data from it to the phone. Now we open the app. The cloud feature is restricted during Wi-Fi connection. THINKWARE Cloud is a separate service that needs to be connected via a hotspot to your phone, and we can show you how to do that in another video. So now you'll see down the bottom that we're connected via Wi-Fi to our U1000 dash cam. We can disconnect down the bottom at any time if we wish. And let's just have a look at some of the menu options here. We have file list in the top left, and it will show you the continuous recording files, which just continually overwrite themselves as the memory card becomes full. It has all front and rear in the filters up the top there. Plus you have all those categories like motion detection, incidents, etc. We have the dashcam settings here where you'll be able to set the resolution and quality of the footage going in. There are also some settings for the sensitivity of certain impact sensors and motion detection sensors, all that sort of stuff, as well as a battery cutoff. We recommend setting it to 12 volts. Plus we also have our road safety settings, which will allow us to configure the advanced driver assist system, which includes the lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, etc. We can also change basic settings like the time and date in this system settings tab. And in the network function settings menu, we can enable and disable the detection of hotspot networks when you are trying to connect the dashcam to THINKWARE Cloud. Now you can see at the top we also have a live view, which means that we can watch the camera in real time. There is a guide here where you can position the camera based on where the alignment needs to be for it to be level. Plus you can also switch to the rear camera if you want to see out the back as well.
In terms of memory card capacity available, these come in a 16, 32 and 64 gigabyte kit. All of those links will be in the description below. As always, if you have any other questions about this particular unit or any unit at all, anything on our website, please leave us a comment. We'd be more than happy to make a video for you. Do not forget, smash that like button. We'll see you in the next one.